Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the vibration intensity for incoming call, notifications, and touch interaction on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Next, go down and tap on vibration intensity. Now on the first option here, you can drag on the slider bar to the right to increase or decrease the intensity for incoming call. Now you should feel the phone vibrate as you change the intensities of the vibration for this particular type incoming call. And then you can also change the intensity for vibration. Now if you drag it all the way to the left hand side, then it will have no vibration at all. And the same for touch. You can see that as soon as you drag it all the way to your left hand side, there will be no touch interaction vibration. But as soon as you drag it all the way to the right hand side, you can see that the intensity will increase for the touch interaction. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.